everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to enable the autofill feature in Excel. Have you ever tried to drag values or a formula to the cells below and you realize that it's not possible? Well, it's because the autofill feature has been disabled. So let's learn how to enable it. So quickly, let's do our total in this column. So under the home tab, let's click auto sum and then press enter. So I want to drag this formula to the rest of the cells so that we can get the total sales for the other items. But when I put my cursor here, you realize it doesn't change to enable me to autofill, because ideally it should change to be narrower and dark in color. So if I try to autofill, you realize that it's not possible. So how do we enable it? So go to the file icon and then go to options, then go to advanced, then under editing options go to enable fill handle, and right now you realize that it is disabled. So let's tick it to enable it and then click OK. So if I go back and try to autofill, you realize now the cursor is changing, right, to be black in color and quite narrower. So you realize the difference, right? If I put there, it's narrower. So if we try to autofill, now you realize it's possible. So it's as easy as that. And this marks the end of our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.